4th of July. West Coastin'. Oh, happy 4th of July, people. Happy 4th of July. Woohoo! West Coastin'.
He said, I'm so pretty. Pull up on him in my vehicle. He said, I'm pretty, you must be from Brazil, must be from Mexico. Roll up on him in my Lambo. Jump on like, yeah, bro. You need a chick like me to make you wanna leave them at the original level.
Nobody's on the banana boat this year.
Look at their toys.
Aww, it's a lonely banana boat.
Story, bro.
Hey, this is Gabrielle Union and D.Wade, and we have been challenged by Olivia Munn to help raise awareness and, most importantly, funds for a coalition of immigration organizations fighting to help immigrants, refugees, asylum seekers make a better way for themselves and their families. All we have to do is sing a little bit of our favorite part of Hamilton. Toast to the groom, to the groom, to the groom, to the groom, to the bride, to the bride, to the bride, to my sister, who's always by your side, to the union, the hope that you provide, provide, always.
Be what, baby?
Be satisfied.